I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging on till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back.
This is the product, the Trailback 2.0 I was talking about, and now I'll tell you main things about this. You can keep, I have just tried it, we can keep a 5-liter gallon in this. It has a very big capacity. Its capacity is 7 liters. This is the size of the bag. In order to lock it, you'll have to do 1-time fold, 2-time fold, 3-time fold, and then place it here, lock it, tight it, and then again you'll have to lock it here, and it will be ready. This will be placed on this bag, this side. You can see. Now we will install it. How is it's to be done? You can see these two velcros. This is a sleeve here. This sleeve fits here like this from the bottom. You just have to pull it forward. This buckle, it goes here. Lock it. I don't know if you could see it or not. This is the second one. It goes here. And it's done. It's pretty easy to be installed. Looks very good. You can see it from here. It looks very good. This is reflective. This is also reflective from the safety point. This is a zip pouch where you can keep your mobile phones and some important belongings like your bike papers, etc. So I have also installed the second one here. As you can see, I am planning, this is my charger, I am planning to put my phone in this right here, put a charging cable here. It will be on, while traveling it will be charged. There is no movement in restrictions. This looks very neat and clean, 100% waterproof, and a product that every Himalayan rider should have. As you all have seen, we have installed this product. This product is perfect for an Himalayan 2021 that I'm owning. This is the best product. I would suggest every rider to buy this. If you want small capacity, no need of any saddle bag, any tail bag, even the tank bag is not required. You can keep the water bottle in it. You can keep petrol, 5-liter petrol can be placed within this. I have checked it. It's 100% waterproof, very good quality product. And those who are new on this channel, if you do like the video, please share it among your friends, those who are having Himalayan, whether they have BS3, 4 or 6. The company manufactures for everyone. You just have to mention which bike do you have, so they'll prepare according to that and it will be dispatched. I have got it from Amazon at 2,999. You can order from Amazon, or I'll put the link of the website, company's website. It's basically a Maharashtra based company, so you can order from their website. The link is also there in the description, and if you buy it once, for the second purchase they'll also give you a discount coupon that you can use in your next purchase. Thank you. Goodbye. If you like the video, please share it and do subscribe to my channel.